Welcome back to Walnut Springs. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you'll recognize this feature right here in my backyard trail. This is the teeter-totter skinny, and it needs some love. This is the feature that I've had to do the most maintenance on, obviously because of the pivoting point of the teeter-totter. And before, I had it about 2 feet high in elevation and nobody wanted to ride it, including myself. And honestly, at the higher height that it was at, I really didn't enjoy it. Lowering it down, it's much more enjoyable, but still, I don't find myself wanting to ride this, as the teeter-totter is a little bit wonky. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Yes, the build quality could have been better, but it is Walnut Springs and this is what you get. So let's go ahead and let's make this a little bit better. Oh, all right, I'm just staying in there like that. Now would be a good time to tell you guys, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. This is just one of 2 of my channels. This one is primarily focused on mountain biking. I have finally taken the opportunity to split up my other passion, and that is homeowner stuff like tools, lawnmowers, yard work, all that, onto another channel that I simply call Walnut Springs. So if you enjoy that stuff, or you came over here for the tool stuff that I've had on this channel in the past, jump over there and subscribe. Just called Walnut Springs. There's a link down in the description. All right, less than 1 hour, I got this converted over from the teeter-totter skinny to this really long, janky skinny. It looks like a ton of fun. I think this was gonna be so much better, so much more fun than the teeter-totter skinny. Plus, added benefit, you can now ride this both directions, where before you couldn't. All right, let's give it a go. Oh, I forgot to cut that branch down. Go, go, go. Yeah. Gotta get that branch cut down. Oh, yes. Oh. Yes, so completed, ridden, amazing. I love it. This is gonna be a fun feature that anybody can do whenever they come over here. And they don't even have to make it to the highest point. They can bail out at the lower point if they don't feel safe riding it quite as high. But once they get used to the lower, they can then get braver and go up to the higher point. There you go. The janky skinny that was the teeter-totter skinny. This was a really fun build. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. And as always, get out there, run, bike, build, and just have fun. We'll see you in the next one.